Hey, everyone. Welcome back to AG Tech. Today, we are diving into Angular 18 features with example. Angular 18 introduces several exciting features and enhancements to improve developer experience, performance, and the overall development workflow. Below are some of the key features of Angular 18, along with explanations and examples. 1. Standalone components, directives, and pipes. Angular 18 expands support for standalone components, directives, and pipes. With standalone components, you no longer need to declare components in an ng module, making it easier to create self-contained pieces of code. In Angular 18, this component can be directly used in another component or module without the need to declare it in an ng module. This simplifies component creation and improves modularity. 2. Typed forms. Angular 18 continues to enhance the typing of forms. Forms are now strongly typed, meaning that TypeScript can catch errors at compile time, providing better type safety in form handling. The form controls now have explicit type declarations, improving the predictability and safety of form-related code. If a form control is assigned an incorrect value type, TypeScript will flag it at compile time. 3. ESBuild-based build system. Angular 18 leverages ESBuild as part of its build system. ESBuild is a highly performant bundler that speeds up the build process, making it faster to compile and bundle Angular applications. Example: this feature doesn't require any special code changes but improves the speed of development by reducing build times and making builds more efficient. If you want to customize the build process, you can modify the angular.jso file for configurations. Using ESBuild reduces the time it takes for the development server to rebuild the app after changes, which means a faster development feedback loop. ESBuild's tree shaking and optimizations also make production builds faster and smaller. 4. Directives Composition API. Angular 18 introduces the Directives Composition API that allows developers to apply multiple directives dynamically in a cleaner and more manageable way. This API simplifies the reuse of common behaviors across components. The Directives Composition API enables better control over how multiple directives are applied to a component. It makes code more modular and easier to maintain, especially when dealing with components that need multiple behaviors. 5. Enhanced Server-Side Rendering, SSR. Angular 18 continues to improve its server-side rendering, SSR, capabilities, allowing for better SEO performance and faster first-page load times. The improvements include optimized pre-rendering and more efficient hydration of server-rendered apps. Server-side rendering ensures that Angular apps are SEO-friendly by rendering the HTML on the server and sending it to the browser. Angular 18 enhances this by reducing the size of the server-rendered output and making the hydration process, where the client-side code takes over, faster and more efficient. 6. Signals for reactive programming. Angular 18 introduces Signals, a new reactivity model for state management. Signals offer an efficient way to manage application state with fine-grained change detection, making it easier to build reactive applications. Signals provide a declarative way of managing state changes and updates within the application. This feature is similar to reactivity systems in frameworks like Svelte or Solid.js, offering more efficient state handling with less boilerplate code. 7. Improved ng update and CLI enhancements. The Angular CLI, ng update, has been enhanced to offer smoother upgrades between versions. This includes better compatibility checks, automatic migration of breaking changes, and improved support for external libraries. Running the ng update command in Angular 18 ensures that your application is smoothly updated to the latest version, with Angular CLI performing the necessary migrations to avoid breaking changes. This reduces the manual effort required during upgrades and ensures compatibility with new features. 8. Zoneless change detection, experimental. Angular 18 introduces zoneless change detection as an experimental feature. This allows you to run Angular applications without relying on zone.js, which can improve performance by reducing the overhead caused by zones. With zoneless change detection, Angular becomes more predictable and can work better with reactive programming models like RxJS or Signals. This feature reduces the need for the global patching that zone.js does, leading to faster execution in certain use cases, especially in micro frontends or performance-sensitive applications. Conclusion. Angular 18 introduces several important features that improve both developer experience and application performance. Standalone components simplify module management. Typed forms provide better compile time safety. ESBuild reduces build time and makes production builds more efficient. Directives Composition API simplifies applying multiple behaviors. Server-side rendering enhancements improve SEO and performance. Signals enable fine-grained reactive state management. Zoneless change detection offers better performance in specific scenarios. These new features and enhancements make Angular 18 a powerful and modern framework for building scalable web applications. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more Angular tutorials and tech updates. See you in the next one, and happy coding!